Good morning, I'm Lynn, and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. Here's what's happening on the farm today. There you go. We're just going to run these girls through. Sure. Oh, not in the vegetables! We knew this would be our highest cull rate in here. Look at that, eh? So let's get started. So the first thing on today's agenda is we're going to get the sisters of the rams we did the other day vaccinated. So we got to bring them from the other barn over to here. So Arnie's just setting up the catch pen again. That means we have to get the rams on the other side of the pen because the ewes are going to come up here to go through the chute. Okay, we're just going to push these girls out and bring them to the other barn to run them through the chutes. Come on. There you go. Come on. Usually you guys run outside. Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost got knocked over by a ewe lamb. There they go. Come on, you guys. Down the runway. Well, someone should have been up there. That's why I wanted you to go up there. There they go. Those are the good girls. Not the bad sheep. Okay, same routine as yesterday. We're just going to run these girls through, give them their yearly shot, put a dot on them so we know that they need a second booster in a month, and then they're good to go. Okay, I was going to say the Suffolks are so much easier than the Dorsets because the Dorsets are usually a little squirrely. But we had 2 Suffolks escape out. But our little headlock gate, its spring is getting worn, so that was the problem there. So it wasn't closing quick enough. Come on, come on. Once they see the crowd go, it's all okay. And these girls haven't been out for a while, so they're pretty excited to be out. It's fun out here, isn't it? There we go. These girls have been in a while because the ewes have been out. The adult ewes. Come on, you girls. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. There you go. Sure. Oh, not in the vegetables. Guess you forgot to put the gate up on the vegetables. And there goes my lettuce. And Swiss chard. Go on, you guys. You're not rabbits. Come on, you two. These guys probably don't want to go in.
No, probably not.
It's pretty exciting now. Yeah, now you're all friendly. We're gonna rearrange fields shortly so that everyone has a chance to go out. On the agenda is figuring out which of these ewes are cull ewes. These are the sad decisions. This was the pen with all the bottle babies, so we knew this would be our highest cull rate in here. All of these ones are old. So they had no milk or half udders. Yeah, those were the issues, the only issues. So we got a lot of humdinger ewe lambs. So you really, to make your life a lot easier, have to let the ones that cause you a lot of grief, and they cause their lambs grief too, you have to let them go. And that lets me keep some of my real humdingers in here. Like her. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, we got that job done. All the ewes and lambs sorted there that we were going to do today. And now we're heading off to Carlton Place because we need wool bags for shearing. So today we're at Wool Growers. We're picking up some supplies, some milk replacer, negotiating on the price of a new chute. Ernie, of course, wants to spend more money, and I, of course, want to save money. And while we were in there, we met some people that are back there buying a sheep feeder. They're from Ottawa. They came over and recognized us from YouTube. We had a nice chat with them, and that was really nice. It's always startling when someone out of the blue says they recognize you, and I don't know, I think they said, we just wanted to say hello, we recognize you, we watch your YouTube channel. It's kind of funny when things like that happen. But they were really nice. We had a nice chat with them. They had some Rideau sheep and some Boer goats. And we were trying to convince them that they need to get a Dorset to cross onto their Rideaus so that they can have some good performing Dordos. Anyway, on the way home from Carlton Place, the weather got really dark and stormy. So I thought I'd stop and take a few pictures here at the marina. Storm clouds. Oh yeah, it's going green, eh?
It's right in the top of Ewetopia Farms.
Oh, it's towards Ewetopia Farms anyway. We'll see if we can pull over somewhere neat to look at these. Oh, there's gotta be some kind of view up here. It's pretty wicked looking.
I missed that one too.
The speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour.
It's drenching back there. Maybe you don't want that much rain. Maybe you don't want a lot of rain.
The speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour. The speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour.
Pulled over in Sealy's Bay to have a look at the storm as it's coming in here. quite the thunder. The rain's coming now.
We won't get much of it. But they're getting hammered back north, eh? I think that's where the heat and the cold air is meeting, eh? Back near Ottawa, eh?
But these are quite the clouds.
These are all clouds.
Still heading home and still stopping at storm points along the way. Cars have to ruin everything.
It's loud.
Still nice weather on this side of the locks. These are the Washburn locks, but you can hear the thunder because we got wicked storms coming this way. This is actually where Arnie's family used to get their grains ground up. The old mill here. It's an artist studio now, but when Arnie was a child, they used to come here all the time. hear the thunder behind me. Wicked storms we're getting today. We don't want any hail on the new crops though. It will shred the fresh leaves like crazy, and we saw a lot of fields where they were getting hail and stuff falling on them. Our area, this is not too far from our place, and so far it looks pretty good, but you can see these storms are heading our way. There's Arnie. He's walking alongside the lock here. This is part of the Rideau Canal system. The wind's picking up now. The wind's picking up.
You're over there, and you by my truck,
Yeah.
you get that Canadian flag, there's a cow drive by.
Awesome.
That's a really good picture there.
Okay, want to head there?
Yeah.
Look at the wind picking up.
There's quite a few shots of lightning, so you might not be around here anymore.
Headed on the road to home now. Welcome to Ewetopia Farms. The storm's just hitting over us now. The winds are really picked up. Kind of brutal. Look at that, eh? Oh no, now the rain's coming. What's with me and rain? No tripod with me, so it's gonna be kind of like Arnie's videos. Those are all the branches I've been trimming off the trees, just to prove that I do some work around here. Back home, just in the nick of time. The rain has started. The lights are coming on today we had to run into Carlton Place and Wool Growers because we were out of wool bags for shearing. So we needed to get those. And yeah, people at Wool Growers were really neat. They came up to us and he ran up to Arnie and he shook his hand. He said, "I never thought that I'd get to meet you guys in person. We watch you all the time on your videos." So that was really, really funny.